John chapter 1, the testimony of John the Baptist's disciples. We just learned about John the Baptist's testimony, and now we're learning into the testimony of those who were John the Baptist's followers that then follow Christ. So starting in verse 35. Again, the next day, John was standing with two of his disciples, and he looked at Jesus as he walked and said, "Behold, the Lamb of God." The two disciples heard him speak, and they followed Jesus. And Jesus turned and saw them following, and said to them, "What do you seek?" They said to him, "Rabbi," which translated means teacher, "where are you staying?" He said to them, "Come and you will see." So they came and saw where he was staying, and they stayed with him that day, for it was about the 10th hour. One of the two who heard John speak and followed him was Andrew, Simon Peter's brother. He found it first his own brother Simon, and said to him, "We have found the Messiah," which translated means Christ. He brought him to Jesus. Jesus looked at him and said, "You are Simon, the son of John. You shall be called Cephas," which is translated Peter. So we have Andrew and Peter now following Jesus. Then in verse 43, the next day he purposed to go into Galilee, and he found Philip. And Jesus said to him, "Follow me." Now Philip was from Bethsaida, of the city of Andrew and Peter. Philip found Nathanael and said to him, "We have found him of whom Moses in the law and also the prophets wrote, Jesus of Nazareth, the son of Joseph." Nathanael said to him, "Can any good thing come out of Nazareth?" Philip said to him, "Come and see." Jesus saw Nathanael coming to him, and said to him, Jesus said to Nathanael, "Behold, an Israelite indeed, in whom there is no deceit." Nathanael said to him, "How do you know me?" Jesus answered and said to him, "Before Philip called you, when you were under the fig tree, I saw you." Nathanael answered him, "Rabbi, you are the Son of God. You are the King of Israel." Jesus answered and said to him, "Because I said to you that I saw you under the fig tree, do you believe? You will see greater things than these." And he said to him, "Truly, truly, I say to you, you will see the heavens opened and the angels of God ascending and descending on the Son of Man." Whew. Okay, so you get the testimony of Andrew and Peter, who immediately follow Jesus after John the Baptist says, "This is the Lamb of God." We get Simon changed to Cephas, or Peter, and then Philip and Nathanael following. Philip telling his brother Nathanael, or Philip finding Nathanael and telling him, and then Jesus telling Nathanael that he was under the fig tree before he ever came to testify that he knows all things. So, yeah, that's John chapter 1.